This is what I learned today. What about you?
Did you guess what I wish to learn? Yes, you're right. Salsa.
I would love to learn wali painting.
I would love to learn scuba diving.
I would love to learn different makeup techniques.
I would like to learn martial arts.
I would love to learn calligraphy.
I would love to stitch my own dress.
I would like to learn skydiving.
I would like to learn whistling.
You don't have to be great to start something, but you have to start to be great. Never give up on your dreams only because of the time it takes to accomplish, because the time will pass anyway. Always remember that while learning, you need to keep your goals consistent and your learning flexible. If knowledge is power, then learning is superpower. I have learned something new today. What about you? Are you going to learn something new tomorrow? If yes, then everybody lagao chalang.